Alex, do you want to try something new tonight?
Amma? Something new? What do you have in mind?
A Japanese dinner. Real sushi. I'll pay for it.
Sushi. Sounds exciting. But I don't really know how to order it.
Don't worry. I'll guide you. It's easy once you learn the basics.
Are you sure? You sound very confident.
Of course. Just relax and enjoy. I'll take care of everything.
Well, I've never been to a sushi restaurant.
Then this will be your first time. It's fun to learn.
And what if I don't understand the menu?
That's the best part. You'll learn something new tonight.
Okay, Amma. Let's go then.
Great. I promise you'll enjoy it. Here we are, Alex. This restaurant looks wonderful, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks beautiful. But honestly, Amma, I feel nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because I don't know what to order. What if I say something wrong?
Relax, Alex. You're not alone. I'll help you step by step.
Okay, I trust you.
Come on, let's sit down.
Wow, it feels so cozy inside. The lights are soft, and the place smells amazing.
See? No need to worry. Let's open the menu together.
Oh, I see words like nigiri, sashimi, maki. I don't understand any of this.
That's why I'm here. I'll explain each one to you.
Okay. Thank you, Amma.
All right, Alex. Let's start with something simple. Do you see the word nigiri?
Yes, but what is it?
Nigiri is just fish on top of rice. Very simple.
Oh, so rice with fish on top. Easy enough.
Exactly. Now, sashimi looks similar but has no rice, only fish.
Wait, only fish? Just like that?
Yes, pure, fresh fish.
Okay, so nigiri equals rice plus fish. Sashimi equals only fish. Got it. Okay, what about rolls? I see words like maki and dynamite roll.
Oh, rolls or maki are rice and seaweed wrapped around fillings like salmon, cucumber, or avocado.
Ah, so maki and roll are the same.
Yes, maki is the Japanese word and roll is the English one.
Nigiri, sashimi, maki. It's starting to make sense.
See? You're learning quickly.
Amma, what if someone doesn't like raw fish?
Then they can order tempura.
Tempura? What's that?
Tempura means fried food, like shrimp or vegetables, cooked in hot oil. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Fried shrimp? That sounds amazing.
I knew you'd like that one.
Okay, tempura is fried, but I see another word, teriyaki. What does that mean?
Teriyaki is grilled meat or fish with a sweet sauce. Grilled means cooked over fire or on a hot pan, not in oil.
Grilled chicken with sweet sauce? Sounds perfect for me.
And I would choose teriyaki salmon. Healthy and sweet at the same time.
Tempura for me, teriyaki for you. Perfect balance.
I have a question. What's the most important part of sushi? The fish, right?
Wrong. It's the rice.
The rice? Really?
Yes, sushi rice is special. It has vinegar, sugar, and salt. That balance makes sushi taste different. Without rice, it's just fish.
Wow. So the rice is the real star. I'll never forget that.
Now, let's talk about famous rolls. There are 5 you should know.
I'm ready.
First, the California roll, crab, avocado, and cucumber. Second, the dynamite roll, fried shrimp with avocado and sauce. Third, the spicy tuna roll, tuna mixed with chili sauce. Fourth, the Philadelphia roll, salmon with cream cheese and cucumber. And finally, the kappa maki, just cucumber, simple and vegetarian.
California, dynamite, spicy tuna, Philadelphia, kappamaki. Got it.
You're learning fast.
Emma, I just learned so much. But tell me, was sushi really made in Japan?
Mostly, yes. But the California roll? That was invented in the United States.
What? So it's not Japanese?
It is sushi, just American style.
Then maybe I'm American sushi too.
More like American wasabi.
Too strong. Every time I eat wasabi, my nose is on fire.
That's normal. Wasabi burns in the nose, not in the mouth.
Then I guess I'm strong. Strong in the nose.
Sushi is wonderful, but there's more than sushi here. Look, udon noodles and don rice bowls.
Udon. Don?
Udon means thick noodles in hot soup. Don means a big rice bowl with meat or fish on top.
Okay. I'll take udon and you can take don. Then we'll share.
Perfect. And remember the rules: soy sauce for dipping, wasabi for spice, and ginger to clean your mouth between bites.
Soy sauce for dipping,
wasabi for burning my nose, ginger for cleaning my mouth.
Excellent summary. You sound like a sushi master now.
Thanks, Alma. This was the best sushi lesson ever.